Wow, look at this old rust bucket. It's been here for ages. Oh, incredible. Looks like nature's reclaiming it. Just look at this, completely reclaimed by the jungle. Ah, that's tight. Got it. Come on. There. Do you think it's secure? Absolutely. It's not going anywhere. Keep it steady. Watch the clearance. Wow. Oh my god, it's really here. Thank you so much. No problem, ma'am. Let's get these straps out of the way. Extensive rust on the front fender. Right tail light is completely shattered. Moss covers most of the hood insides. Requires full body restoration. Okay, let's figure out where to start with this engine. All right, time to tackle this rust. This nozzle should get the job done right. Line it up here. Looks perfect. Just a little more.
All right, easy now. Just a little further. Perfect fit. Yes, that looks good.
Line it up here. Tighten the bolts. And that's secure.